Hi, welcome to MasalaNow.com. Today I'm going to give you an overview of our mobile app. I'm going to use my iPhone and the App Store. So once you have the App Store pulled up, let's put halal grocery delivery and then search and you will see our app right here, number 2, um, listed on the App Store globally. So you click on the open button. Obviously you have to install it the first time. I already have it installed. You have the phone number here. You can call us and you can text on that phone number as well, and we will get that text as well on our side. You can start a chat real time with us, or let's go, we can order online. So before I show you the store, let me show you the quick one thing here. If you hit more on the menu, you will get some links to Facebook help videos like this one, which you can find very interesting. This will take you to our if you click here, it will take you to our YouTube page where we have videos like this, which you can watch in a couple of minutes video, which will get you up and running with any issues during the order, and how to edit orders and stuff like that. Also our Facebook page, if you want to join our community, help support building that community and help and support us, that's the way to do it. So let me go back to ordering online. Here you go. We have the meat market, fish market, fresh vegetables and produce market, spices from different countries in the Southeast Asia, snacks, sweets, dairy, which is your supermarket products, our fresh mishti from Bangladesh, specialized or specialist, I would say, grocery items. Specialty items, if I can get that right. Frozen foods. Again, a lot of the frozen food that we have are halal brand, like Al Shafa and stuff like that. Rice and flour, beans and lentils, and canned foods, and so on and so forth. Also, some household items and health and beauty items that are from Indian subcontinent that are also available here. Now, let's go do some shopping. So we're going to start with meat. Hit some meat right here, and you can see the subcategory here under halal meat, beef, chicken, and goat. It goes from right to left as you swipe like this. Now you click on fresh chicken. Then you can add, let's say, live chicken. It will give you an option. Make sure you hit the add cart ribbon here, otherwise it will not add your item. It's very important. Every time you see the add cart ribbon at the bottom, you have to hit that. Otherwise, if you hit back, you will not have that item added to your cart. Again, let's try probably in goat. We're gonna go and add some goat items. Now let's go back to fish, where you will see a lot more of those $0 items that we have here. Typically when we see a $0 item, that means there is more than one option there, and you have to choose an option and then hit add to cart to add that option. So there's a two-step process here, unfortunately, that you have to go through. So for example here, let's go Ilish Mach shopping. So you have 2 lb, 3 lb, 4 lb. We typically like to get the largest fish or item on that category, but you have the choices here. So let's say you want 2 Ilish, and both of them should be 4 lb. Now this is how you do it, but you have to hit this add to cart ribbon at the bottom to be able to add those items to your cart. If you just let's say I want to go back to this, I hit the plus button here, and I go up by one more item, but I just hit this back button here. This will not add that item to my cart. As you can see, my cart total did not change the last time I tried to add an Ilish Mach. So let's go back and add some mishti as well, and then those will be added right away as I hit the plus button, because they're not $0 items. and don't have a lot more options behind them hidden. So let's go back to the checkout page. Make sure that we have our checkout address correctly picked. You can pick as many addresses as possible, add them here. If you want to send items to your parents, to your friends, your family, keep adding addresses here, and they will be for you saved for life. And then you come in here, you review your items, and then everything looks good. Proceed. Put your phone number, which is the required field, because let's say you're sending it to your parents. We need to know their phone number so we can call them once the order is delivered, make sure they get it. We have your phone number on file because we get that when you sign up. But it's important to add the phone number of the person who will be receiving this order. If you want to add more items, add them up here. Before we approve the order, we can add them for you, contact you, and take care of that. But the only way for us to know is if you add them right here, that I want, let's say, whatever, maybe guava that I did not see, 4 pounds, comma, and so on and so forth, right? If you have any special instructions, watch for the dogs, stuff like that, submit. Then you have the checkout button where you have the delivery fee and the tips and all that stuff. You add a card, here credit card if you didn't add it. So once you hit the add card button, wait for the card information page to open up. You put your information here, and then you would be able to hit submit, and then come back and swipe this pay button here, and you're done. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you hopefully you find this helpful.